Today I'm going to tackle fixing this trampoline. We have a lot of wind events where I live, and this is a trampoline that got blown up out of a neighbor's yard and landed in an adjacent house's pool and tree, and I offered to take it off their hands for them. So I disassembled it and brought it back here. There's some broken legs and a few other things that need to be put together, but I've got it functional for my little kids right now. I just need to fix the legs and make it taller and all that. So I'm gonna attempt to repair the legs. I'll show you what I got going on and how short it is right now. As you can see, it's awfully short, but my kids are little, they don't hit the ground. I do, but I don't plan on being on it a whole lot. So the round frame was intact, the legs are intact, or the feet are intact. It's just the verticals got damaged. That is another trampoline tarp, and here's all the accessories. I had picked up another trampoline a couple years ago just because I wanted the tarp and the spare metal pieces, but here's one of the legs that's broken, and instead of trying to straighten it out and weld it, I decided I'd just make a new one. And then this is an end that got bent off one of the legs, so I'll show you how I'm going about making new ones. This one right here is what a good straight leg looks like, so that's where I got my measurements from. This is just a section of EMT conduit I chopped off. Still got to clean the ends up. And then this is some pipe that came out of the trampoline I rescued a few years ago. It's just scrap pipe used for whatever, so insert that in there. Line up the ends and weld it in place. The one that had the bent end on it, actually fixing that in two parts, so it was like that. I cut that off, put a much longer repair sleeve in there, and then extending this, I'll leave a little gap so I can weld right here. Get both those pieces tied together, weld it to the top, and then we'll have the correct length piece at the end. But that's the plan for today, is fix these two legs. They were the two worst. I think the rest of them are usable as is. I'll show you what I did with the old trampoline frame. Some of the circular pieces were bent beyond what I felt like fixing, so I'll show you what I did with it. So all of this wood came from the windstorm and nearby tornadoes and stuff in the yard. I've already got it split up and seasoning, so we'll be able to use it, maybe not this winter, but next year. But if you look at my rack, my wood rack, you can see it's kind of curvy. That's because it's made out of the old trampoline I salvaged a couple years ago. I've got the legs, and I've just alternated which way the pipes went on it, so it curves in and out, and it's very, very stable. See, it curves out and in and out and in, and you got the legs and some crossbars welded in place. So it's the reason I saved that one a couple years ago. This one, my kids are old enough and want a trampoline, and I got one for free, so why not? I'll get set up to weld them and bring you back. Okay, so I'm outside because it's got galvanized coating on it, and those fumes are bad. I know MIG welding outside isn't the best idea, but we'll see how it goes. I've got some copper shims to space this pipe up to get it centered. Let's see. It's not an exact fit, so I'm using the copper shims to space it and hold it evenly. And then I'm just gauging the length I need with the leg that's still good. Got them lined up. Now tack it, roll it, and go ahead and weld her up. Behind me is the final result of the trampoline repairs. So some of the safety net tubes are bent, but since they don't support the load of the kids, I just bent them back instead of remaking them. And then come over here, and this is one of the tubes that I rebuilt. I just put the extension section and the new protrusion in there, and it's all bolted up. And then a couple spaces later, so they're not right next to each other, this is the brand new tube I had to fabricate, and this is just EMT conduit with a smaller section of pipe in the middle, and seems to work okay. It's conduit was bent just a little bit, but everything bolts up. It's nice and solid. The kids have been having fun on it, so that is the free trampoline rebuild. It's hard to throw stuff away when it's just got minor problems, and you can always buy new parts for these, but at $25 or $30 per leg, I figured I could save 70 bucks in about 15 minutes of welding, so that's what I did, and the kids are loving it. Thanks.